Practice set 1.1, sum number 4.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In the previous lecture we have seen the practice set 1.1 sum, and now we are going to continue that sums, and I hope we will complete the whole practice set 1.1 today. So let's move on to the next question, that is fourth question of the practice set 1.1. What is the question? In the following figure, AP is perpendicular to BC, AD is parallel to BC, then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. So guys, I think leaving this question, we will first see the diagram, understand the diagram properly, what is the diagram given. So guys, see, this line and this line are parallel. AD and BC is parallel to each other. Okay. So in that line, these two triangles are created, that is ABC and BDC. These two triangles are created between these two parallel lines. Okay. And in this triangle, AP is perpendicular. So AP will be representing the height of the triangle ABC. Okay, this is the question, this is the diagram given to you, and you have to tell that find ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle BCD. So let's move on to the solution part. That is, first we will say that in triangle ABC and in triangle BCD, DC is the base of both the triangle. So we will write in the solution part that triangle ABC and triangle BCD, that is triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same base as BC. BC is the base for both the triangle, it is the common base. Next, the vertices of triangle ABC and triangle BCD lie on the parallel lines AD and BC. That I told to you, that is line AD and line BC are parallel to each other, and both this triangle are lying in this parallel line. So we have written that. And next time, the distance between two parallel lines is the height of the triangle. These are both the parallel lines, and between this line, this AP acts as a height. This is the height of the triangle, and we know that distance between two parallel lines are always constant. If distance between two parallel lines are constant, so AP will be representing the height of the triangle. So it is clear that both the triangles have equal height as PC. So we have cleared that these are the common lines, these are the two triangles, this is the height for both the triangle, and this is the common base. So from first we have seen that both the triangle have same base, and next we have seen that both the triangle have equal height. So if both the triangle means area of triangle ABC and area of triangle BCD have same equal height as well as same base. If both the triangles have same base as well as same height, what will be doing? What will be about its area? So let's see. If both the triangles have equal heights, then area of two triangles of equal base and equal heights are equal. So we will write it as area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle BCD. That is, if we write as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD, if both have equal base and both have equal height, it will be going to cancel the whole, and we will get 1 by 1. So here the same, if both the triangles are equal, we will be getting the ratio as 1 by 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equals to 1 by 1.
Practice set 1.1, sum number 5.
So guys, we have seen the fourth sum of practice set 1.1, and now we are going to see the fifth sum. That is, the question has been given on the board. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC, then find the following ratio. We have given the 4 ratio to find, that is, first one, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC, second one, area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC, third one, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC, and last, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. We move on to the diagram. That is, here the diagram has been given. In this diagram, AD is perpendicular to BC, PQ is perpendicular to BC. In this, ABC is the first triangle, PBC is the another triangle. So guys, we see the solution part. First ratio we have to find, that is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. So in triangle PQB, in triangle PQB and in triangle PBC, we are seeing these two triangles, in triangle PQB and in triangle PBC. PQ, which is given in the diagram, that is this one, PQ act as a height for both the triangles. This is the first triangle PQB and the another triangle is PBC. So for both the triangle, as PQ is perpendicular to BC, this PQ will act as a height for both the triangles. So we have seen that PQ act as a height which is common to both. So we write as a triangle PQB and triangle PBC has same height PQ. We have seen in the diagram. Next, we have to find the ratio of these areas. So we have seen the condition 1, that is area of triangle with equal height is proportional to the corresponding base. So we will write the base, the ratio will be dependent on the base. So we conclude that area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equals to QB by DC. This is the first part, we have find it. Next we move on to the second case, that is we have to find area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. So we have to find the ratio of area of triangle PBC. Area of triangle PBC is to area of triangle ABC. This two triangle PBC, ABC. So in that case, BC is acting as a base for common base for both the triangles. PBC, BC is the base, ABC, BC is the base. So we write in the solution part that triangle PBC and triangle ABC have same base BC. We have seen the condition number 2, that is area of triangle with equal base is proportional to the corresponding height. So their ratio of areas will be depending upon on the height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABC is equals to PQ upon AD. This is the second solution, second ratio we have find it. Condition 1 and condition 2, if you have not watched it, see the link in the description box and watch it, you will understand what is that. Now we move on to the third part, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. In this, same AD is acting as a height for both the triangle. So we write in the solution part that triangle ABC and triangle ADC have same height AD. So if the triangle has same height, the area of proportional will be based on the corresponding base. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC, BC upon DC, which is the base of both the triangle. This is the third part. And last but not the least, that is area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. We have to see the ratio of these two triangles. In that triangle, we have seen the property ratio of areas of two triangles in the previous video. If you have not watched it yet, see in the description box, the link is given in the description box. Watch it and then watch this video. What is the ratio of areas of two triangles? We have seen the statement, if ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and the corresponding height. Therefore, we write it as area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle BQC is equals to base into height. That is, base of first triangle is BC into height is AD, and second triangle area of triangle PQC, height is PQ and base is QC. So we find the full solution of the four part which we have to find. Next, we write the answer. First one, that is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equals to QB upon BC. Area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC equals to QB upon PC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC equals to BC upon DC. And area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC equals to DC into AD upon QC into BQ. So guys, this is the fifth sum, and with this we complete our practice set 1.1. I hope you understand it well. If you understand it, like it, comment in the comment section. If you have doubt, comment me so I can clear it. And if you like it, share with your friends. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.